how to crochet the block stitch crochet pattern. This is the pattern. There are little squares in my opinion. So let's get into it. First of all, you will need to crochet a multiple of 3 plus 1. So here I have 54, and then I've chained 1 stitch extra, so 55 in total. So the first thing you do is skip the first stitch and you make a single crochet into the stitch next to it, and then another single crochet. So now we have here 2 single crochets. Now we are going to chain 2 and skip 2 stitches. So skip this one and make a single crochet into the third one. And we created this little pattern here. Now we are going to chain 2 and do the same thing, skip 2 stitches and make a single crochet into the third. And this is basically the whole pattern until the end of the row. So I'm going to do that and I will meet you at the end of the row here. So at the end of the row you are going to see that you are left with 1 stitch. You are left with 1 stitch here that we are going to make it a single crochet. And now we have the whole row. And we are going to chain 1 and turn our work. Here we are going to do a double crochet into the first stitch. And then we are going to make 3 double crochets into each gap like this. So we are going to work only in these big gaps, doing 3 double crochets. So 1, 2, and 3. Here we go. And then we are going to move to the next big gap and make 3 double crochets right here. And this is what you're going to do throughout the whole row, and I will meet you back at the end. So at the end of the row here we have 2 stitches left. We are going to skip the first one and make a double crochet into the last one right here. And then we are going to chain 1 and turn our work. And this is what we have so far. Basically the first complete row. Now we are going to do the same single crochet and chaining 2 and then single crochet as the very first row. So we are going to make a single crochet into the first stitch right here. Then we are going to make a single crochet into this big gap right here. Then we are going to chain 2 and make a single crochet into this big gap here, and then chain 2, and the same thing throughout the whole row. We are going to make single crochets into these big gaps right here. So here at the end of the row we are going to make one last single crochet into this last stitch right here. Here we go. we are going to chain 1 and then repeat the whole double crochet row. So here is the final look of the stitch. I hope you enjoyed them. Please let me know if you would like to see more videos like this.